Hey, what's up guys? Brandon here. I just wanted to make a quick little video about doing things that you want to do or that you might be afraid to do or whatever. I was talking to some folks earlier today out at a job site, and they were like, man, I wish I could do this. Man, I wish I could do that. I have this dream that I just wish I could do, and for whatever reason, they haven't done it. Life gets in the way. Money, money in life and time. Three biggest things that can make or break a person's mentality on doing something that they want to do or starting to do. My channel is more about me showcasing something that I wanted to do for a long time, and I never made time for it. And then when I made time for it, life got in the way. I put it on hold. I put what I wanted to do on hold for a lot of years. I don't have an automotive or a fabrication background. I've been driving truck commercially, building America, doing heavy industrial for 20 years. But what I wanted to get at was, I decided, you know what? If I don't make the time's never going to come to me. And once time is lost, it can't be recovered. So I said, screw it. I'm just going to start doing this one day at a time, doing it as I go. I'm teaching myself everything. The things you see in my videos of me doing, I don't have a previous background or experience in doing it. But I'm learning. I'm teaching myself. I do a lot of research, and I just go out there and start doing it. If it's not right, no big deal, because it's my first time. You can't always expect to nail it 100% the first time. But what you can do is do it, and if you're not happy with it or it's an epic failure, step back from it, take a look at it, and see where you figure you messed up. Look at where you could have done something different and use it as a guide. All the books, all the things, all the videos, this is all stuff. Nobody's born knowing how to do any of this stuff. You got to crawl before you walk, and you got to walk before you run type of deal. You know what I mean? So, I make these videos to showcase how far I've come from the beginning of this journey, and to also hopefully help others that may be like me or are like I was, where I didn't have time, or it just didn't happen because of this, or didn't happen because of that. You can absolutely do it. You just got to start, and you just got to keep doing it. So far I've met some really cool folks during this short stint. I just started working on this channel and this Chevy truck project in December when I bought the truck. I'm not rich. I don't got piles of money, but what I do got is drive and the willingness to get out there and do something every day. If you turn one nut, one bolt, make one tack weld every day, eventually you end up with a finished product. So you can totally do it. You just got to get out there and start doing it. This channel is more of like a DIY, self-taught education type deal. I'm building a lot of my own tools. Yeah, there's some things you're just going to have to buy. I don't have a forge. I don't know how to make sockets and ratchets and whatnot, and that's just stuff you're going to go buy. I'm not an electrician. I don't know how to build a welder, and I'm not going to try to build a welder. That's just stuff that you buy. I mean, if you know how to do that stuff, more power to you. By all means, do it. But what I'm getting at is, this is a no BS type of deal. I'm just doing this to maybe inspire the next guy or the next girl to get out there and start doing something that they otherwise have been putting off, or have been intimidated, or what have you, to go do. So if you like what's going on here, I just speak plainly. It's a no BS deal. And what I like to do is just talk to people on the video like I talk to people in real life. Real cool, calm, collected. It's not a big hype thing. There's not a lot of fancy this, that, or the other. It's just a regular guy working in a single car garage, building a dream, and also attempting to do something that he's never done before. And so far it's coming along pretty well. I cannot tell you how excited I am to go home and get in the garage and fab something up that I'm going to need for the truck. Yeah, this channel's supposed to be about working on this truck and taking it from rust to riches and making it a pro touring truck, and we will get there. But also in the process of this truck, I've also learned that there are tools that I need, and some of them are just out of my budget. It just is. I don't have the excess cash to justify spending it on that thing, whatever that thing is. But what I can do is I can try and build them. Yeah, power tools, I'm going to buy power tools. But simple tools, I'm going to build those. Dollies, metal brakes, that sort of stuff. There's a lot of things that you can build. Right now I'm working on building a off-road welding cart. And I can't seem to find one anywhere to buy. And I'm like, you know what? I got a welder and I got some raw materials and I got a ruler and a pen. So why not draw something up, cut some metal up, and make some pieces happen, make some sparks fly, make a bunch of pretty flashy lights, whatever. I don't know how exactly it's going to turn out. Like I said, I'm not a fabricator. I've literally started teaching myself how to weld and fabricate April of 2024. So you guys can totally do this too. If you like the stuff that I'm putting out, or you are in the same boat, what have you, like and subscribe, follow along. Don't cost you a dime, just cost you a few minutes of your time. And if you want to like and subscribe, go for it. If you don't, that's fine too. But like I said, I do this channel for me, and if people like it, great. If they love it, even better. But ultimately, this is something that I'm doing for myself. You got to do it for you. Don't do it for other people, because if you don't do it for you, it doesn't really have a whole lot of value. So stick around, stay tuned, and we got more stuff to come. A lot more stuff to come. This is going to be a lengthy project, and you get to watch me learn and grow throughout the process. So we appreciate you, and if there's something you want to do, just get out there and do it, one step at a time. One nut, one bolt, one cut, one weld, what have you. I started out with welding with flux core, and my welds look like bird crap. Straight A garbage. Got poor penetration because I didn't know what I was doing. And now I'm working on learning how to do vertical down welds on this welding cart project. It's pretty dope. I'm super excited about it. I'm like a kid in a candy store with, when I was a kid, $100 would have been a fortune. So let's see what you got going on. Drop a comment, tell me what you think, and we'll see you soon. Later.